Are you recording now?
Yeah.
Damn it!
Go!
Hello, folks. Welcome to Nature in High School. Today we're going to be discussing about the topic of nature. Look how the average black man named Jerry walks away from the camera because he's too embarrassed.
Jerry!
It's amazing, isn't it? Nature can be such a wonderful thing, and yet such predators. Take the coaches, for example. Okay, zoom in on that. Cameraman. Notice how the coaches are standing there, looking straight, waiting, silently, controlling. Now you gotta remember, people, that this is a nature document.
You can't forget about the average white man.
Don't interrupt me. This high school here is a very fascinating one. You know what? Fuck you too. I don't mean you YouTube viewers. I love you all. That guy.
He hates the whole world. He wishes the Nazis would take over again.
That's you.
Hell no, bitch. I'm Jewish. I wanna run!
You're the one who looks like Hitler.
Fuck you. Viewers, do I look like Hitler? Like his soul.
Yes, you do.
Shit.
Anyway.
How is this better? I didn't know if I had to zoom on or not. Like if I look like Hitler, unlike if I look like a normal white guy.
Unlike. This is a nature document, not a debate. We can handle that on Monday.
Bullshit.
We'll handle that on Monday. Let's go into the gymnasium.
Fuck no, it's hot as hell in there and it's cold over here. I'm fucking sweating.
This is a nature document.
I'm fucking sweating.
You fucking wanker. This is a nature document.
Fuck the damn nature document. Too damn dark.
You're the one. Think.
Jerry, where are you from?
Where are you from, Jerry? He's from the wild.
Shut up. Fifth block.
Say what? That's the bloody game.
I can't hear. There's no speakers over here.
It's the bloody game. You fucking wanker. What are you doing?
Getting an angled view.
Of what?
Your mom.
Bitch, please.
I don't know.
Come on. Let's explore the upstairs of the wild jungle of high school.
We've been going down one fucking hall the whole damn time. There's an upstairs!
Yes, notice how these stairs are so filthy and cracked. That's because of years of violence against one another. People have been thrown down these stairs and killed. And notice these.
There's the bell.
rocks. That's the bell?
I think that's a bell.
No.
Was it?
No. Look.
Christian, was that the bell?
Well, that's it.